We
Live!
are live!
Live
I
from
got Michelle
Greensboro!
Morar!
Live from Greensboro! Where are you
Live
live
from
from?
Greensboro in Orlando, Florida. We got weekend live stock market chat, guys. Got my friend Michelle Morar here to help me talk about the stonks. We're going to keep it real, guys. We're going to keep it real, okay? All right. If you want to come on and chat, you can. You have to be a subscriber, though. You have to be a subscriber, and you have to have left a comment in the past, or I'm not going to let you guys up on the screen, okay? But I don't think we're going to get really anybody. Is that you that sent? Oh, you said hello? Okay. Silly. All right, we got Dixie. Dixie's up in here. Dixie Cuddles Fitness. Thank you, Dixie. Good morning. All right. Yeah, oh yeah, there's a time difference, so you can hang out for a few minutes. All right, sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, guys.
Is she going to
Okay.
church? Is she going to church? Is that
Yeah, she's going to church. I
good?
asked her to pray for me.
She can pray for me too. I would
Yeah, yeah,
appreciate
yeah.
it. But we need to, everybody needs to pray for Nora. She's under attack. She's under attack by the neo-Nazis. The neo-Nazis are the neo-Chi-Kongs are they're beating Nora up. And all
Hey,
my
what's up,
friends,
Mystic Budgets?
what?
I did a Neo video, guys, and it's not going over very well with the neon fans out there. Neo.
What is Neo anyhow? It's a stock. I mean, it's electric car something
Yeah,
or
it's an
what?
electric car company based out of China.
The China comes.
A lot of people are invested in it, so I'm getting a lot of hate, but I just stated the obvious. Over the past 12 months, Ford has done better than Neo. By saying that, I got a lot of thumbs down, but it's true.
Should
It's
I be?
true. It's
Should
true,
I
guys.
be
Hey,
putting?
Jaden, what's going on? Jaden, thanks, everybody.
Hey, Jay, what'd you
Mystic.
say? Hey, Mystic,
Good
hey,
morning.
how you doing?
They can shove it. Yeah, I'm not taking it down. I said what I said.
I said
If
what I
they,
said. I meant what I meant. I did it. That's how you
I
feel,
did
didn't
it.
it?
I did it.
I did it.
Dixie says, "You tell them, Mystic Budgets." I mean, every now and then we make a video that doesn't, it's not popular, but I'm being real. I'm not just gonna put Neo, Neo, Neo. It's going to 100 if I don't believe that. Why would I do that? There has to be some channel integrity, guys. So,
That's true. You
are
have
you
to tell
playing a
the truth.
musical instrument, Michelle?
You want me to play a musical instrument?
Yeah, sure, why not?
No, man. Come on. Let's talk
Yeah,
stock.
come on. Get the accordion out.
If you'll put the rat around your neck, I will do the
Little, she called you a rat.
put
You
the
stated the fact. Yeah, I keep it real. I'm trying to help people learn uh how to do risk management and all that stuff, not FOMO into something, which is fear of missing out. When you FOMO, you just put all your money in because you think you're going to
I
miss the
told
next Tesla. Oh, Neo's going to be the next Tesla.
I told that guy. Did you see what Elon put about the new little electric company that just IPO'd this week? Did you see what he put on the tweet?
No, I didn't see that. What did he say
Well,
about the
shoot.
Rivian? He's always
Yes.
trolling.
Huh?
He's always trolling in his
He is.
clever and
He is.
unique
I mean,
way.
he said, they're $1 billion company and they haven't made a sale, basically. Well, that was my whole point about Tesla, but
Thank you.
I sure did miss out on a lot of money on that one.
That's okay. You admitted it.
Hey, did you lose money this week whenever he pulled out all his money?
A little bit. I didn't lose because it's a paper loss. I just held my one share. I bought one share at like 1,200. Yeah, I lost like $200, but it's gonna go
It's
back
back to
up, guys.
1,000. It's back to 1,000.
It's
Over
a
1,000.
patience game. The last time that Tesla dropped, I sold a few shares and it went not only recovered, but it went far above where it was. All it was a patience game. Exactly 6 months later, it exceeded where it was at. All you have to do is hold it.
Well, I
It's a
want the
it's a
next
real simple. Hey, we got Sean Tuber. What's up, Sean Tuber? He has a
Sean
cool
Tuber.
channel, guys. Everybody
Sean
on here
Tuber.
has a channel. Thank you, Lady S and family. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, check out these channels that I'm highlighting in the bottom there. They all have channels right there. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for the hearts, guys. You guys are awesome. I appreciate the support. Much love to the small YouTuber community. Oh, we didn't put our names on here.
I
We
did.
didn't. Oh, you did? I
Well,
don't know why I didn't. The Stock Explorer. Let me see what I got.
it's not showing up, but on the thing that I'm looking at StreamYard, it has it.
There we go. Welcome, trader friends. You guys know I'm Nora, the Stock Explorer, but my guest here is Michelle Morar. Okay.
And you
So,
can, hey, you're gonna tell them that we just did our football
yes,
picks, and if
we
they
do
want,
football picks every Sunday morning. If you want to go over to our channel and check it out, you can listen to all my goofy reasons why I think I know about football, which I don't. But sometimes I get lucky and beat Michelle. So
you beat
that's how that goes. If you
you beat.
guys want to come on, let me know. I'll drop the link, but you have to behave yourself.
You're gonna put more people in here.
I can put up to 6 or 10 or something like that. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle.
Making money with Michelle. That doesn't do good. I'm gonna play my guitar.
Hey, we got Darren the shareholder bond. What's going on? Oh no, she's
Hey, from London.
from
Peace,
London,
bro.
England, mates.
Peace, bro.
I love Darren. He's super supportive. He's always coming on my live streams. You rock, my friend. I
I
wish you
want
had
to
a
know,
channel.
does he actually only he does bonds? Is that how he makes money, is in the bond market? Because I'm not familiar with
No,
how to
it's a
make money.
play on James Bond. You see the James Bond logo?
Oh, I
That's the
do.
barrel of the gun, and that's
I
James Bond
do.
right there. You
I
see what
do.
he
But I
did
mean,
there?
there's plenty of people that make money in the bond market. I just don't know
Well, he
how.
might. I never asked him if he had bonds.
I'm not very good at doing bonds.
He's
So
a shareholder.
a shareholder of what?
I think stonks. Hey, Experience Africana. All right, we're getting a good turnout, guys. Thank you for hitting your notification bell so you know when I'm live. I appreciate everybody here. Guys, please subscribe to each other. We're here building a small YouTuber family. Michelle is always here, willing to come on and help entertain my peeps on here. So appreciate her for taking her time out on Sunday.
Hey,
Making money with
with Michelle.
Michelle.
Making money with
Money with
Michelle.
Michelle.
Making money with Michelle.
Making money with Michelle.
Michelle. Michelle.
Michelle. Michelle.
That's
He
enough.
only has US shares. All right, so I didn't offend you with my Neo video. Where's the banjo? I think she has a ukulele or something like that.
Uh, yeah, I don't
Mortgage with,
know.
oh, she does mortgage with me. I saw your comment. A mortgage with me. I'm sorry. Did I miss Hello, mortgage with
You
me. We
tomorrow.
got mortgage with me. Awesome. Guys, we got all these financial people with expertise to share with you.
All
My
right.
world, my way. Hello, I just literally stumbled on you again. YouTube not giving me notifications. I know, girl. I feel you on
Because
that.
they're
I don't always get
assholes.
them either.
They're asshole. Oh, can I not say that now?
It's
They
too
won't.
late. You said
They
it.
won't.
It's
They won't hear
okay.
it. They won't
It's
hear it.
okay.
They won't hear it.
Sorry about that. All right, we can't say bad words, but it's okay. I'm not monetized. I'm trying to get to 500 though. I made a big mistake with a Brazilian company. I lost 40%. Ouch.
Woo!
Mortgage says, "Hey Mel, thanks guys. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Let me know where I met you at. Was it on Tuber Chat or was it on
YouTube.
Commander Vlogs or the
YouTube.
Runny Egg Show? Big shout out to Runny Egg,
What I need
Commander
to what
Vlogs.
is hold on a second. What in the world is running egg? I need to go on that.
It's
What
a
is that?
channel. It's just called Runny Egg. I'll
How do you
write it
spell
in the.
it?
I'll just like it's spelled, Runny Egg like that, and he will
I
promote
can't
your
see it.
channel.
I can't see
It's
it.
in the regular chat. You're probably in the private chat section.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
I'll highlight it. Here you go. Runny
Yeah.
Egg. Big shout out to Runny Egg. He just had a happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Oh,
Runny Egg, and
cool.
all my friends over at Runny Egg.
I'm
Oh,
gonna go
you
check
met
that
me on
out.
Tuber Chat. She met me on Tuber Chat. Love Tuber Chat too. Kevin over at Tuber Chat helping a lot of small YouTubers grow. Woohoo!
Tuber
Commander
chat is another one.
Vlogs. My man doing jumping jacks for every $5 you donate. He will do jumping jacks for you live. It's hilarious.
Did you
Runny Egg, awesome, awesome. Thank you guys. My world, my way, Helen. All great channels. I enjoy all of them.
so on the runny eggs, what does he do? Does he
He
do
does channel
shout-outs?
reviews and shout outs and helps people promote their channels.
Have you seen anything from Brandon recently?
I think he went to the beach today, so he's out enjoying the seaside uh, festivities.
You see the Moody ratings drop for all the big develop. Hey, did you know? Listen, he's talking about China. Let me say this. Did you know that there was a real estate company in China that is supposedly going to go bankrupt and it is going to have a huge impact on the stock market? Did you know that, Nora, the Stock Explorer?
Are you speaking of Evergrande or a different one now?
I think so. I don't know. I'm not
Okay, yeah, I'm
sure.
familiar. I don't know when this is all going to play out.
Well, when they start defaulting on all the stuff, then it's going to have ramifications all over the world.
Everything has a ripple effect. There's always some connection you don't think about that has an effect. And of course, there's always that FUD, that fear, uncertainty, and doubt. When things like this happen, people get scared. They start to panic, which is the worst thing you can do. But yeah,
I wanted to talk to you about two things. How did you get the tickets? How did you get the tickets to the, what was it, Metallica?
oh yes, thank you. So I am repping my college here, Valencia College Advanced Manufacturing. I'm in the mechatronics program, which is they teach industrial maintenance. So basically, I can after this I can go work and
At
maintain
Tesla.
machines in like industries such as Amazon, such
Tesla.
as any of these big warehouses that have all these machines
Robots.
for production and things of that nature, right? So I'm sponsored by Metallica. If you guys haven't heard this yet, I am a Metallica scholar. I got a Metallica scholarship. So I have this course I'm taking paid for free by Metallica. So I went to the grand opening of one of their facilities at my college, and
I
Wolverine
thought
showed up and they gave me a code for a free pair of boots. See that, Metallica scholars? If you guys don't know it,
I thought it
Metallica
was a
donates a lot of
concert.
money.
I thought it was a
It is.
concert.
I got a concert ticket to go see Rockville. They gave me a free concert ticket too. They're really treating me good.
Where was that
So
little
yeah,
place that you were riding around? That's the
that's the
actual.
Daytona Speedway. So I was out at the Daytona Speedway, guys. And the concert was inside the Daytona Speedway, which is awesome. When you go inside, you're actually standing on the road that the cars race on. It was neat. And when you look up, the stands inside of there are massive. You look up and they just look like little specks. There's hundreds of thousands of seats. It's really cool. So I was really appreciative of that. Went to the concert. I got to watch Pennywise play live and another small band called Ventress out of Baton Rouge. If you're a hard rock fan, it was a really great vibe in there. If you like that sort of thing, but yeah, I'm on a Metallica scholarship, so I appreciate Metallica for giving me the opportunity. Um, so yeah, just wanted to just
That was great. I mean, I
appreciate
thought
that.
that was interesting. I thought it was Metallica, the band that you were going to see. I was not sure what it was.
No, they did play. They played really late though. I didn't stay that late. I didn't stay late enough, but
Why
because it
didn't you
was
stay late
just
enough?
because it was getting a little crazy. It's not really my
Did you
thing
go
to
by
be in the
yourself?
middle of when. No, I took a friend from work, so I had somebody with me, but it's just I was tired. I walked around that speedway all day long,
Let
and
me
I
ask you,
was good. I had a nice experience.
how long does it take to get from Orlando to Daytona Beach?
Not that long, about an hour, so not even that long. Actually,
Really?
literally less than an hour if you really hoof it. So yeah,
The thing about Florida,
thank you. Appreciate that experience with Afrikaans. Thank you.
Afrikaans,
I think I'm
Afrikaans,
not sure if it's Africans or Afrikaan. I think they speak Afrikaans.
Africans.
I'm not sure. Maybe he could tell us if I said it right.
Well, he's not going to be able to enunciate it with a. Well, maybe he can. Maybe if
Oh,
he's.
your channel's Sean Tuber because you're an Uber driver, but some people couldn't read my name right. So I made it with less. Oh, cool. Okay. But see that little bird? He has this little bird on his channel, and this little bird is awesome. It's a sun conure, and he feeds the bird, and the bird sits on his shoulder, kind of like Littles does. It's awesome.
Huh.
Can you pin the link to Runny Egg? I'm not
Yes.
sure if it'll let me post a link. I can try to do that. Give me a second. Let me see if I can do it. Let me look, and then you guys can all head over there. My computer's really super slow, guys. Sorry about that. But
Super
his
slow.
channel's not hard to find. It's just Ronnie Egg, and you'll see a big bold thumbnail. It'll say "Chat YouTube, grow your YouTube." Let me see, Ronnie Egg. Uh. Search.
Why don't you just? Why don't you instead
And
of looking
and
it up?
Dixie was live. Hold up. Here we go. There's Ronnie Egg. I think I can share my screen. Hold on. I'll show you. Share my screen. Share your screen. Let me
Let's see.
know if you guys can see this.
Okay,
Share.
put it on there.
And then this is Ronnie's channel right here.
Yeah, I saw it.
You can see it. You've seen
Yeah.
this guy before, right? He's in
No,
the
never.
UK.
I've never seen
You
him.
never seen him before? Okay, so he does channel promotions. See that?
Uh huh.
um, and all this channel reviews, learn about YouTube. So he teaches about YouTube. He does collaborations with other YouTubers. He has a membership on there. So yeah, if you want to try to get your channel promoted, you can go here. You can also go. I guess I got to be fair and give everybody a shout out. Commander Vlogs, another friend of mine. Commander does the same thing. Does a great job. He has a lot of fun going on during the show. He does different voices. I think you tuned in on one of them, Michelle.
Yeah, I
Um,
got one of the whatever it is, but I don't
so
know.
that's
You know,
Commander. He does free YouTube shout outs. You don't have to pay for anything. He'll give you a shout out. All you have to do is participate in a chat, and that's his doggy Keiko. He's an adorable doggo.
has he
And
changed?
then
Has he changed your background again? He did a free whatever for you.
no, he did a banner for me, and he put my dog, but he got mixed up and he put other people's dogs on my banner. So that was funny. If you
Super
look
chat.
up on my banner, there's two dogs that don't belong to me. That's not my Dachshund or my Pomeranian. Those belong to Tater Tot of Darkness. So here's Tuber Chat. Okay. Sorry, the computer's slow, but yeah, you'll see small YouTuber
Go
support
to
in the
your channel.
thumbnail.
Go to your channel.
Go to my channel.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Big shout out to Tuber Chat. Did you guys see Tuber Chat? All right. Let me go. Stock Explorer. This is hilarious. He laughed so hard when he realized he did it. He was live on one of his shows and he was laughing
I thought you
hysterical
said
because
you
he
had
realized
500.
I don't. I have 475.
Oh, you want to get to 500?
Yeah, because then you get the community tab, and once you get the community tab, you can share other people's videos. You can share my video on yours, Michelle. But yeah, see this dog right here? He did a great thumbnail for me. I told him, asked him to put the Cybertruck. Of course, big shout out to Capitalist Academy. My link for that is always up here. You
Is
get
that
your first
Elon?
month for free.
Is this
That is
Elon?
Elon. I got Elon on my banner. Yeah, baby. All right.
She loves Elon. If she were
I
not,
love Elon Musk, guys. I love it. So this Dotson and this little dog are not mine. This is Little's. That is my dog. So that is a funny
would you
little
put your
thing.
dog on your shoulders, please?
Hang on. Let me stop sharing. Okay, so stop sharing.
Put the dog back.
Hey, Sean.
Hey,
Oh,
Sean.
thank you, Experience Africans. I appreciate that. Thank you. Lady says so cool. Yeah, thanks. So yeah, those are the three promo YouTubers. I spend a bunch of time over there just because they have a lot of fun over there when they do the channel promos, and I like to support them.
You gave
Here's
me.
my little wild baby werewolf pup.
It's not a
There's
werewolf dog. This
Littles.
is a dog that
She
needs to
is.
go. What is the Kansas deal? The Toto, is that the name of the dog?
I
Huh?
did name her Toto at first, but then I thought that was a little too uninspired, so I changed it to
She
Littles.
looks like Toto though.
Yeah, she kind of does look like Toto, and she
She
likes to
does.
chill up on my shoulder here. I love when you say Tesla my Esla. I can't even take credit for that.
No, she can't.
Jeremy
What was
takes
that?
says that Tesla my Esla.
Who is that guy? You
Thank
gave
you,
me
mortgage. Oh, Jeremy Lefebvre from Financial Education. He has
financial
3
education.
channels.
I want to discuss this with you. We need to talk about this. You are not following his advice.
How so?
You've got too many stocks, Nora the Stock Explorer.
Oh, yeah, I do. I have way more than 5, but I'm not a beginner anymore either. So,
No, but what his point was is you need to have a dividend stock, a value stock, and a growth stock. I
okay,
think
that one.
he's talking
Yeah.
about growing your money to $1 million or whatever or more.
Mhm.
And I totally agree with him. I think people talk about diversification too much. I'm just saying, if you want to have, I'm just saying, I shared you
He
out, Nora.
Thank you. So he shared me on his community tab. Jeremy shares many different strategies. That was just one. But
I know, but that's how he got filthy rich,
that's how he did. Yeah, his one big dog was of course Tesla.
and that's
And
why he
he
has
has an
Tesla fans.
academy, and he has members that join his private mentorship, but his is very, very expensive. The one I promote is something everybody can afford.
How much is it?
After the first month free, it's $100 a month.
100.
Yeah, it's 100. But if you take a few of the call outs, you're gonna make that. You're gonna make more than that. Reason I know this is because I do it.
I'm
I
not.
do it myself.
I'm not.
But I can't share his picks because it's a paid service. So
Are these just
anyway,
his picks?
yeah, he comes up with them. He gets them off the Dark Pool, which is the software that tells you what big money's buying.
How much is
So he
that?
uses
You know?
that. That is over $100 a month. That's probably like 120 a month for Black Box. It's called Black Box. You might, I mean, but it's cheaper to just join his academy, he'll screen everything for you, spend the time picking them out. You have to learn how to use Black Box. It gives you all this flow. The
Well,
flow
let me
just
ask
keeps
you.
flowing, and you have to be able to look and say, ooh, there's something. Ooh,
I've
that's unusual. That's unusual. You can't look at everything because some of them are day trades. He knows how to look at it. But you can investigate what Black Box is, of course, if you'd like to. You can
I've got my
try it.
list of stocks that I've done. I was going to share with you.
Oh, thank you. Please do. Free stock picks, y'all.
Well,
Stay
no.
tuned. Free
I,
stock picks.
I'm not. These are what I am in that I got in, and I was going to tell you when I bought it and how much it's up because I'm already in these. What?
I was answering Mystic's question. She said, "Is that a channel or a website?" He's actually has students on a private Discord, which is where I get the call outs from.
But he
So
has
you'll
a
once
channel.
you join, you get a link to the private Discord.
But he
But I
has
want
a
to hear. Yeah, he has a channel too. It's Peter DiCarlo, DiCarlo.
You
Check him
need to
out.
put that on there too because nobody can spell DiCarlo. I mean, seriously, Peter DiCarlo. Let me see if I can do it. DiCarlo. That's what DiCarlo.
Very
DiCarlo.
good.
No, seriously.
I've only mentioned him 100 times to you,
You can
Michelle.
mention him. I don't care, but I don't know how to spell it. To put it in YouTube, you have to be able to spell it.
If you do decide to join, though, please come back to my channel and use my link. That way, I get credit.
What
I get
you
a I
get a
get a
free
little bit, a
you get
little
a free
something,
month?
something. I get something. Yeah,
What do
it's
you
like a
mean you
small
get
referral
something
bonus.
something? What the heck?
I can't
This is a
share
family
all my secrets.
this is a family channel. Something. Lord, good Lord, what are you
All right,
suggesting
so
on
what do you
here?
got there, Michelle? What? Share us some stock picks.
I thought you were going to show his channel so we could see how to spell his name, so we could watch him
I'll
on.
show his channel off. Hold on. Let me do. How do I do? Hold on.
You know how
Share.
to share? You just
I
shared
just
right
did
ahead.
it. Okay, hold on. My goodness. All right,
Look at there, Mr.
guys.
Budgets is getting.
This is a fantastic channel, guys. If you're a brand new trader investor,
Okay,
he
see,
puts a lot of
D
free info on here. You want to check him
D
out.
C
And he's from the Philadelphia area, which is where I'm from.
Does that make him special since he's from
Absolutely.
Philadelphia?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Very special.
Pull that down. Pull it down, please.
All right, you want to have
Make
a
it see
full
us.
look around. There you go.
$2 million AMC calls. So does he give option calls and he teaches you how? But I didn't know this is the guy that you learned from about options through.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same guy. He started his own academy.
But I mean, he does options and you follow his
Yeah,
options.
he does. He does options. He'll break down the option. He'll say, "I would get this" or "I would get that." It's up to you to just pick from what he presents. If you agree with him, then you can get the same one, or you can change it a little bit. Once you learn options, you can see you can change the expiration date, or you can change the amount or the strike price and things like that. So
Well,
yeah.
did you see where Robinhood had all those people that were at risk? I saw it from the thing. Did you see that?
Oh yeah, the data breach.
Yeah.
They'll probably pretend like they didn't do anything wrong like they did the last time. Their stock is going down, and also their earnings
Maybe
were
you need to.
bad.
Maybe
So
you
I
need to
actually
do.
have some Robinhood stock, and I might have to
No, I
just
mean
cut
maybe you need to do a
switch.
put on them. Yeah, a put
Yeah,
right.
I could do a put as well. But I
Okay,
don't know if they open Robinhood wallets, that might be a catalyst, and then they'll be back up, you know, popular again.
do you want me to give people
Yeah, I
some?
thought we were a family. Gonna go
What
stick some money in the machines. Okay, you're gonna go
what is that
gamble?
in the
Oh,
machines?
thank you. I'm not sure who that is. So I'm not gonna highlight it. I guess he's saying he's gonna go gamble instead of investing in the stock market. Okay.
Well, you can gamble in the stock market too. It's not a. I mean, you can do that. You're not going to agree with me that you can gamble. You could. You
Abs-
absolutely can. Uh,
Absolutely.
we're talking. I did. You
He's
know what?
saying the stock market is gambling.
Oh, okay, whatever. Riot. Didn't mean to offend him. I did a little
No, it's
gambling.
fine.
I did a
Some
little
people
gambling.
feel that way. I respect his opinion. That's
I
fine.
did
Some
a
people
little
feel that way.
gambling. Listen, I did a little gambling income stock. Hello, Nora. Hope your investing is going well. Have you added
Thank
any
you.
new stocks recently?
Yes, I added Microsoft. That's my call out, guys. You want to keep an eye on Microsoft. They're going to utilize this momentum coming from the metaverse.
What metaverse? What are you
That's
talking?
what that Facebook is becoming meta, but
I know.
that's just one gateway to the metaverse, where it's going to be like a virtual reality version of the internet. But I don't think they will be the only player. They will not be the only way you can enter the metaverse. I'm sure companies will have their own gateway to the metaverse. Sounds like Nvidia is making their own as we speak. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll check that, Jade, and I'll check that out. I don't think I posted any links. I didn't post any links in this one, so I'll make sure they're all ready to go.
I told you about the whole reason I was looking at this particular, I swear, metaverse sounds like a
It's
new
like a
dimension.
new it sounds very addictive. I know that. It sounds like something people are going to spend a ton of time in.
Except for me.
Um
I'm not.
I don't think I want to do that. So that's something you're going to have to be mindful of. I'm sure it's going to be very addictive. Just my speculation, but you know, it's designed to draw you in. So metadata. Kelly King, what's up, Kelly King? Kelly King's got a channel. He goes
What's
to the
he do?
car shows out in Sacramento, California, and
Is he
shows off
making
stuff.
money flipping cars?
I'm not sure. He's just a small YouTuber here to support my channel.
I know, but I
Check
mean,
him out. I don't know if do you invest in any stocks, Kelly King? I'm
no,
not
no,
sure.
no. I'm not talking about stocks. If he's going to the cars, then is he either social media is already addicting?
Yes,
Don't
it is. Yes, it is. Oh, you got money in some ETFs. That's a good idea. That's like a basket of stocks.
who is?
ETFs
No,
or
I'm saying who's
exchange trade.
investing in ETFs. I can't
Sean
see.
Tuber. Sean Tuber. Sorry, I flipped
You
that
didn't
too
put
quick. Sean Tuber is.
you didn't put it up at all. You just said it, and I was
Oh,
like,
sorry. Yeah, I got my money in ETFs. I like the ARK Invest ETFs personally. I think those are some of the best ones. ARK Invest.
well, I mean, a lot of people like to. They don't want to be stuck in just one stock. It's all a matter of the guy that we were talking about. I like the guy because he says you need to do some. People are not willing to do the research. They're not willing to be. The reason he was talking about that many stocks, Nora, is only two or
Hmm.
three, because he said you need to be able. And I don't necessarily do this, but I mean, you do. I mean, you and I are really more technical traders, I would say, as opposed to looking at the numbers of, okay, this company looks like it's going to be whatever. I mean, I wish he said a lot of people are not investing, and he said less than 2%, and I would say that's probably true. There's a lot
Hmm.
of people that are in and out of stocks, but I mean, you can make money in lots of ways with the stock market.
So yeah, what he was basically saying is like your average person is not even in the stock market. They don't trust it, and very few go to that next level where you take it like almost like a career where you do all these deep dives and research and reading the 10K reports and things like that. I
And
guess
the
we
conference
assume everybody does a lot of research and they don't. People
and the
just kind of
conference calls.
yeah, I like listening to the earnings reports when they're live. I like to listen to those because they take questions and then you can kind of see where they're what their vision is and where they're kind of looking at. But
I was going to say this is what I was going to say, how people can get involved more in the stock market is, are you willing to risk $100? because $100 is not going to make or break you in most circumstances, but you can learn how to trade with a small sum of money. And I think a lot of people get, they, before you start investing thousands, okay, see, he's only got 10 stocks.
Yeah.
And the other thing that guy also said was you need to have some cash, and I always believe in having some cash so that you can do exactly what this income stock investing dude is talking about. If you believe in a stock and it does go down, that may be a time that you may want to add into that stock to get some more shares. That's the whole point of what's the guy's name? Financial education. What was his
Jeremy
name?
Lefebvre, his name is.
Lefebvre. I love it. Jeremy Lefebvre. My
It's not spelled that way, though. It's got a B in there. It's spelled Lefebvre, kind of
Lefebvre.
like
Lefebvre. Lefebvre.
Lefebvre, but it's pronounced Lefebvre. He's very popular on YouTube. He actually is one of the first people to talk about finances on YouTube before it got extremely saturated, which I can't complain because I'm on here too. But um, he is one of the originals, one of the OGs, and I mean, there's no denying he is successful. He's a big Tesla bull. I think he owns like 3 Teslas. He owns several properties. Nice big property he just had built in Las Vegas, which that value of that property just has gone up, skyrocketed since
The
he
value of
he
your
bought
house
it.
probably went up too,
It
Nora.
it did. It did. If I sold it, I'd make a profit today, but then where would I go unless I went to live with someone else? I mean, so I'm gonna keep it.
I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna just keep it and stay in there.
I mean, I need a place to live.
I need a place to live, and I like myself. I like myself a lot,
I
so I
like
want
my
to
little
stay.
house.
No, I like myself a lot, so I want to stay
Which
right here.
stocks do you have, Mystic? You can share if you want. You don't have to.
She doesn't do stocks. Very
It's
little.
good to think of if you could only pick three, what would they be? It's kind of good to kind of just kind of play that game and think, okay, if I
No,
only could pick,
but
or if you could only pick one,
he
what would it
said the
be?
best in those performing areas, dividends. And so obviously he was picking a growth dividend stock,
Mhm.
and then he
Mhm.
had a growth stock, and then a growth and a value. I don't even know. I wonder if Ford would be a value stock. Do you know, Nora, the Stock Explorer?
I think, yeah, I think so. I think it is probably in that category.
That would be an interesting. Maybe you need to tell that dude who the Neo person. Why don't top economists invest in the stock market? I don't know. How does he
I'm,
know that?
I'm pretty sure they do.
I don't know. I mean, unless they share, they don't. Well, what's his? Is he trying to be
He's
antagonistic?
saying, he's trying to say, I don't know.
The dollar is backed by debt. Yeah, I saw an
Yeah.
interesting video this morning, and I was very interested in it. You know who Minority Mindset is, dude?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
He did a
Japreet Singh is his name.
yeah,
Yeah.
whatever. I just know his channel. I've watched.
Sometimes I like what he says and sometimes I don't, I'll be honest. Sometimes I
I'm not
know
a
he's a
fan.
very smart fella, but I don't
I'm
always
not. I'm not.
agree with minority mindset.
I'm not necessarily a fan, but I mean, he was doing what I do like is Robert Kiyosaki, and he was doing an interview with him, and so I was interested to find out, and it was very interesting. He's talking. I mean, Robert Kiyosaki said he got rich doing the debt deal, you
Mhm.
know, and because he knows how to work with
Mm.
debt to make himself richer, but not everybody does. A lot of people do get into problems with debt, so I think that's what this guy's probably. He's
Yeah,
probably on.
yeah.
And that.
Planned obsolescence. Interesting. I have heard that term before.
Let me ask you a question. Do you know where this Dustin Glico is from? I mean, how did you meet him? Has he said yet?
No, he hasn't said.
Ask him again. See if he'll
Where are you from if you want to share, Dustin?
How did you meet Nora? Is what I'm curious to find out. How
I
did you
think
meet?
it's the first time he's come on one of my live streams. I don't know him personally.
You don't know him personally? Do you know me
No,
personally?
probably not. I've never met you in person. I know you're virtual person.
The persona that I
Yeah,
portray.
yeah. I think you're real. I don't think you're I don't think you're, what do they
I'm
call it?
real.
A
I'm real.
simulation. Oh wow, he's up in Montana. Okay.
You know what that
Dollar
means?
is declining and inflation it is out of control. Like I
He
said, my
started buying
Subway
gold and silver.
$5 footlong is $8.95 now.
Should they don't want to get me started talking about inflation? They do not want me to start talking about inflation because I absolutely can't
Oh,
watch it
thanks.
filter
Cool.
by live.
He
Cool, dude.
just searched for live chat.
And
I
you
come
stuck
on.
around. Hey, he stuck
Yeah, that's
around, so
cool.
you
That's
must
cool.
have.
That's cool.
So, Dustin, I have a question for you, bro. He's from Montana, you said?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. I have friends in Montana, so I understand where he's coming from. Um, totally
Yeah, he's
understand.
coming from Montana.
He's up early, is all I'm going to say
Oh
about that.
yeah.
I was talking, I want to interject this little thing first. I was talking to an individual in Arizona. Arizona people are they were so rebellious that they were not going to be part of the, uh, I, what is the daytime, whatever it is, the look,
Oh, the daylight
daylight
savings.
savings time. I'm getting
Mhm.
old, so I can't remember everything. But so Arizona was not going to participate and they were going to be rebels. They're going to be rebels. Well, that just throws them off for that week. They're usually 2 hours behind us in the east. So it's like, y'all did that. He said, I was talking to the guy and he said, we did this and it doesn't do us any good because we still have to adjust to everybody else that does. If everybody
Right,
else in
exactly.
America is doing it, and you're not,
Yeah.
well, you're
Yeah,
just
you're just making yourself more out of whack.
it was funny. I thought that was an interesting concept and stuff, but I totally understand Dustin Glico. Glico. He's Dustin
Yeah.
Glico. Cool looking dude. You know what? He's got his little. That's what I meant to wear instead of this stupid Carolina Panthers hat. Um, I had to wash my jersey last week. You know why? Had to get the stink out.
Okay.
The stink out of the damn jersey. I had to get it out. It was like, they stink. They
That's funny.
stink.
You can say that.
Oh no, they stink. Hey, they got Cam Newton again. I'm not happy about
Oh,
it,
it's
but
pronounced Glico.
Glico, not Glico. He was very Glico, Glico, Glico. Hey Dustin, I think you're pretty cool, man. I love your hat. You're from Montana. You're my kind of individual. Come over and visit Michelle Morar. I can't even say my name, so I'm sure.
Morar.
Nora, can you do the little? Can you start rapping for us a little bit? Come on. She
No,
was
please don't
rapping.
make me do that.
She was rapping my name. Yeah, because it's your channel, so you don't want to be. It's your channel.
Look, we're losing viewers. Oh my God, they're like, Nora's gonna rap. No way.
Oh man, it was good though. They've got to hear the rapping Nora. I love it. Seriously, can you
Say
think
we
about?
got Michelle Morar. She's in her car driving far.
She's
You
a
don't know
star.
who you
She's,
are.
she's a star. She's a star. Come on, baby. Come
She
on.
said Biscuitville. She's gonna chill, get real, make them money. We're betting on the Steelers.
Steelers. Yeah. Yeah, we got you. Okay, I mean, you want to act a fool on my channel, but when I come to yours, you're all, oh, hello, Dustin Glico. How are you doing? I want a shout out to you, bro. Come on in. She's on my channel.
She's
She's on my channel cussing.
Ma'am, are you in North Carolina? Yes, she is.
He does too. He lives here too. I'd like to do.
Oh
Seriously,
yeah. Oh, nice. There you go. You can do a collab, bro.
We can do a live freaking collab, bro. I don't even know where you're at. I'm in Greensboro. Greensboro, in the middle of the state. I drive from one end to the other, so I'm willing to
Wait, I
meet,
got her
bro.
address here somewhere. I'll
No,
find it.
shit,
Oh,
don't you do that.
I know. I'm kidding.
Don't you do that, bro. Seriously, income stock investing, seriously, we can collab. Seriously.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. What is he talking about? Nailed what?
Do. Oh,
Nailed
you guys want
what?
some music? I can find some music on here.
No, man. What is he talking
No.
about? What
He
is he
said I
talking about?
nailed it. I don't know. Maybe you nailed. Oh, maybe he nailed it. That you're from North Carolina. What gave it
Nailed
away?
it!
Her Panthers
Nailed that shit.
jersey.
Oh, okay. Come on, man. I got my. Who in the world is going to wear a Panther shirt and live in this state? There's nobody that would. I mean, seriously, nobody
You
cares about
can.
Panthers. No, you know what? Let me say something. You know who the owner of the Panthers is? Do you know who he is? Hendersonville. Hello, my bro. I'm from Burnsville originally, which is north of Asheville, between Asheville and Boone, but I live in Greensboro. And I've had plenty of clients. My mom lives in Forest City, so I have been to Hendersonville many, many times. Actually, I played basketball in Hendersonville when I was a Ute in my
A
teens.
Ute.
A
Two
Ute in my
Utes.
teens.
You were a teenager once, Michelle? No
My
way.
God, I know. It's like decades ago, right?
Yeah, really long time ago.
The fans on the Panthers. No, hell no. You know who it is. I'm serious. Do you know who he is? He is a huge billionaire. He's got billions and billions of dollars. He made it in the stock market. Huh? Do you know who it is?
Billions. No,
Do you
I
know?
don't know.
Okay.
Nope, that's true. No fans, no Panthers. That's true. They're all running off their fans, truly.
Owner of Carolina. It's David Tepper. He
Okay,
is a hedge
interesting.
fund. He's a hedge fund owner. Did you know that?
Wow, no, I didn't. That's really interesting. Which hedge
Well,
fund?
his own hedge fund. He has a hedge fund.
Wow, okay.
He's a
That's how the
smart.
stock market works too. That's yeah. No investors, no stock market.
Well, no, I'm just saying he's the dude,
Mhm.
and the NFL loves the Panthers now because now they have David Tepper. David Tepper was associated. What is this head chicken? What is this head chicken crap?
David Tepper.
He
I
is.
don't know.
You need to know who David Tepper is. You don't ever follow any of the big hedge funds. That's part of the dark pool money, Nora, that you're talking about.
Yeah, it is. That is how they trade. They trade on that secret squirrel dark pool. I
He's
always
been a
want to
Raiders
call it a
fan.
black pool, but it's called the dark pool, the dark webs.
Income
Raiders.
stock.
Yeah, we bet on the Raiders. I just went live on Michelle's channel,
Yeah,
and
go
we
check it out.
chose.
Income stock investing. You can see it. It was much shorter today because we're
Yeah,
coming over here live because Nora needs some time. I needed some time because I'm not
I
doing.
need some watch hours. I need
Needs
playlist buddies.
She
You
needs
play
some
my
thumbs
playlist.
up.
I'll play your playlist. The
She
thumbs.
needs
I
some
need
thumbs
all of
up
that.
because she's been hated on recently. She's
Yeah, I
so
made a
sad.
Neo video and it's not getting any love. I made the Neo fans angry.
Hungry,
You
hungry,
can't
hungry,
tell
hungry.
them that Ford is better than Neo. They know like that.
They don't like it. Tell them America's Raiders fan too. Kelly here. Oh my God, where's all these
Oh,
Raiders fans? But
Raiders,
listen,
baby.
um, well, this is the deal. I mean, the Raiders are doing good this year. Y'all should be happy with your team. I mean, started out
Yeah.
all right with the Panthers, but they suck. They got the Cam Newton back in the house. Back in
Oh
the house.
my.
Well, they had to because Sam Darnold got hurt, supposedly hurt since he's throwing interceptions left and right. He got hurt.
Hey, we got Call Meander. What's up, Call Meander?
Jonas, I love that.
Oh, you like the Saints? Is that what you're trying to spell?
No, I don't know. That's a cool little. I like his little art avatar.
Yeah, he's a gamer. He has a really cool banner on his channel.
That is, I love that.
Thank you, Charlene. Charlene's always stopping in. What's up, Charlene? Share the positive, Charlene.
Charlene Hill. Dustin,
it's cheap for a family
to go see a Raiders game. I like that. Really? Well, how does he go to? Does he go from Montana and he goes to?
Wow.
Going to.
That's a little bit of a hike.
Well, no, Las Vegas. It's right there. I mean.
Oh, okay.
One of those. Some airline was doing like a $31 airfare.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was thinking, man, I'd like to go somewhere where it's $31. You know, I could go to Mortgage with Me. She loves you.
No, I think she's sending love to Charlene for the shout out.
How do you know it's to Charlene? $80.
Because it's all in the chat. I'm sorry, I didn't hit all of them.
Cost $80. I told you, see, so he could go to see the
hotels are cheap.
Yeah, because they want you to gamble, bro. They want you to throw your money around in the gambling. Tim and I went on our honeymoon to Las Vegas.
Ooh.
I won money.
Tell us the deets, Michelle.
I won money.
You did win some money? Bonus.
I did win money. You know why? Because I don't drink and I don't, you know, I'm betting on fours.
She's not any fun. She just wants to win money.
Tim was drinking. He was drinking free money. You know, that's what they want you to do is get drunk. And then you don't know what you're doing. So you can't, you know.
True. That's why they give you those complimentary drinks. That's true.
So, you know, I'm like, I don't drink. So, hello. Yes, Allegiant. That's who I was trying to think of. Mortgage with Me. They do have cheap flights. Where is she from? Because they do have Allegiant Airlines here, and so far so good. Call me Ender. She's in Las Vegas.
She was in Las. Oh, sweet.
So did
I would
she
love
go
to see it?
Did she go see the Raiders play? Hi, hey, fun Chris. I fun Chris.
He has a new channel. I fun Chris.
Is that Chris?
I'm guessing his name is Chris. I mean,
cool dude. I've gambled $20 in 10 years.
Wow. Well, okay. Not a gambler. So I guess the stock market is not your
How did he come
either.
upon us? Why in the hell did he stay here? Is what
he searched for live because you're so engaging, Michelle.
True. Seriously, he saw the hat. He's like, he said,
you told him you like this beanie. He likes that.
I like Montana. Hello, Allegiant Airlines. Allegiant.
I don't watch television. Hold on, I'm getting behind here. I don't watch TV either, but I do watch a lot of YouTube.
She only watches YouTube. I watch mostly YouTube. I watch certain things I stream. Mm-hmm. I definitely stream. So, you know, that's why I don't know when Roku is going to be another buy-in again, but it probably will be.
That's a Kathy Wood favorite. That's a huge chunk of Kathy Wood's portfolios. So they're planning something massive, I'm sure. Roku.
Well, they already do. They already do their own channel, and they do some live stuff on Roku. She thinks I'm blunt and I'm to the point. I provide a very rare.
Nah.
What?
Michelle Blunt and to the point? Nah. Not Michelle Morar.
Yeah, you should try. I am very
Only
blunt.
watch YouTube. Me too, because I can learn something on here. I don't want to watch the, Bachelorette. I mean, if they put it on and I'm somewhere where someone else's TV, I'll look at it, but
she watches. Now, wait a second. Let's all get this clear because she's already discussed this on my channel. She's already said this. She doesn't watch TV at her house, but when she goes to work, that's another story.
Michelle, you're gonna mess me up. They're gonna take our cable box. What are you doing?
I'm not. Everybody else does it too. Don't worry. Don't
Yeah,
worry,
I
man.
mean,
Don't
I'm
worry.
not the only job that's got a TV up
No.
somewhere.
Well, I mean, obviously you
Most
do.
hospitals have them everywhere.
Sean Tuber, thank you very much. I
Oh, thanks,
appreciate it,
Sean
man.
Tuber.
You're thanking
Just
him.
take Michelle with a grain of salt, and you'll enjoy her channel. Just messing with you,
Out.
Michelle. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Dang. I'm going. You know what I'm going to do? This is what I'm going to do after the Medicare season is over, and I'm not working 12 and 14 hours a day. Honest to God, nobody believes.
When is it over? December 31st? Like, when is it over?
No, it's December 7th, October 15th to December 7th. Work your behind off. You know,
So you're off on Christmas then. You'll be good. You'll be done by Christmas, right?
I'll be done by December 7th.
How are you doing? Are you getting more clients? Are you doing better than last year? The same? How is it going?
Not better. I am going to do a whole new. Actually, I'll be honest with you. I am more into, like, if you learn about planned
obsolescence.
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 This means they're planning to make things obsolete or no longer valid.
Buckets of quarters in the stock market. Buckets of quarters. Isn't he funny?
Good old buckets of quarters. Who doesn't like
one.
walking around with a big old cup full of quarters at the casino?
Well, I don't know that he's not necessarily. I mean, let's talk about obsolescence. It's going to be the dollar in just a few days after the Biden presidency. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say it. I didn't mean to. He forced it out of me.
Hi, Juan Jaffo. How you doing?
Oh, she's gonna go.
Hello, all friends.
You boys' birthday is on Thanksgiving this year.
Oh.
Oh, his
25th. Man, that's a good one. You're in the prime of your fun years.
Fun years. Where's that other dude? Fun guy. Fun Chris.
iFun. Is he still here? You still here? iFun Chris?
It's almost like iPhone, except it's iFun Chris.
iFun. At least his channel name is unique, because some people's channel names are not unique, and then you can't find them because there's 500 other channels.
Maybe like Michelle Morar. I mean, who in the hell is going to be looking for Michelle Morar?
Who else would want to use your name on their YouTube channel? I mean, let's be honest.
I don't know.
Here's freedom. Freedom, giving poopy kisses. Freedom.
Kisses from freedom.
Freedom.
That's why Nora likes her dogs. They adore her. That's why people get dogs, except Zoe. Zoe almost got into trouble.
They all hustle us the same way.
With love?
We're just dumb and we're like, I'm special.
Yeah, Zoe
when I first met Freedom, she didn't want nothing to do with me. I took her out of the shelter into the play yard, and she was walking around the play yard like, yeah, I'll check you out later. She just went and wandered away from me.
Sniffing. She went sniffing.
Yeah, she had to go do her sniffing, her smell-o-vision.
She did some sniffing. She did some peeing. A lot like
and then she came back like, oh, yeah, you're cool. Thanks for taking me out.
A lot like our current president.
Can we go home now, bro? Let's go.
Listen. Like our current president, he goes around sniffing and peeing.
You're stupid. Oh, my God.
He goes.
The more people, except for me, Dustin, I'm cheap. The more I make, the more I save. I'm a saver, believe it or not.
Oh, no, she definitely is. She doesn't have television. I mean, I thought Dustin was the dude that didn't have TV either. He's saying he spends all his money. That is one thing to do. If there's high inflation, go spend your money just as quick as you can. Apple phones are a good example of planned. Okay, cool. Okay, see it.
Okay.
Do it.
Right.
Microsoft is the same same way. I can't stand them. You have to update your computer if you want to stay on the internet. That's why Nora has such a hard time. She won't spend any money to get a new computer.
I won't. I'm still using this little Lenovo they gave me at college. Because, like, if you're poor and you ask them nicely, they'll give you a loaner laptop. So, yeah, I had to
They
go in
know
the
what you,
library and act pitiful, and they gave me one.
they know
But I
what
can
you,
afford a. I'm just cheap. I'll get one eventually. So you guys don't see that
maybe
little circle thing like loading, loading. That's crazy.
hate it. You want to know who I'm thinking about? Light bulbs are the perfect well, this makes me furious.
Oh,
Maybe,
iFun Chris is still here. Thanks for sticking with us, iFun Chris.
you
What
were
is your
telling
chat? What kind of content do you have over on your channel?
no.
You're a brand new. I just subscribed to you, so if you want to tell everybody what your channel is about, and they can come check you out. Oh yeah, GE is doing a lot of renewable energy and some cool things. Actually,
He
you're
said
right.
laugh out loud. He said invest
Who?
in Dustin
Oh
said
well,
laugh out loud.
GE has a lot of medical devices that they
Not
produce,
only
but I
that,
mean,
they have airplanes. They do the turbine engine, which is shout out to Timmy.
oh yeah, okay, Timmy. Is that what he's climbing through? A GE turbine?
Pro- I'm sure he's worked on them. He had a guy that he worked with that had invested in GE for years and years and
Oh yeah,
became
Dustin, I'm sure when it starts to tank, it's going to tank hard and nobody's going to be prepared for it. It's just going to catch us off guard like it always does, and it's just going to I'm sure it'll happen at some point.
yeah. I'm
I don't
thinking
think
about
it's happening this year, but I don't doubt that it will probably happen when they start raising the interest rates and
hey, can you put that dude back on that was from Hendersonville so I can put his name down? I need to reach out to him.
Sean Tuber.
No. The Hendersonville guy. The
You
guy in
better
North
be
Carolina.
you better be reaching out to everybody, Michelle.
I will, but
Dustin?
I need the dude go back up in your chat and said he put Hendersonville. It was invest in stocks or what was it?
Oh, I'll find it. In income stock investing. This one right here.
Okay, income. Okay, cool. Income stock investing. I actually like the name of his channel too. I mean, income stock investing. That's kind of what I
Mhm.
like doing somewhat. Maybe he does ask income stock investing if he's still there. If he does options or is he just doing like dividend stocks? Have you ever been to his channel?
Mhm. I don't think he talks about options. I think he does dividend stocks if I'm not mistaken, but
Like
I'll
we were
have to
talking
go
about.
watch a few more to see what all his videos have, but let's have a look. I can look right here.
She's gonna look. She's gonna look how white I look compared to you. Do you have uh
You have better lighting, I think, because I'm
no, this is
pretty
my skin. No, this
white.
is my skin tone. Tim, come here, please. Tim's gonna make an appearance on your show. Come here, Poopy.
Oh
Come here,
my
baby.
god.
Come here. You're on Nora's show now. You're on Nora's show.
Woohoo! We're on my
Bam!
channel.
You can see. So she can see the different. Well, you are kind of, but see the different shade he
Oh
is.
yeah, he's dark
Than me.
skinned.
He's a dark.
Yeah.
He's
No,
also a
I'm pretty
redneck.
white.
Wait a second. Turn around. He's also a redneck. I love you, honey. Close the door. He's a redneck. Consider buying some Allegiant stock.
He's saying sell, sell, sell. Dustin's saying sell.
I might be doing
Man,
that
that
more.
Dustin's trying to cause a stock market crash. Nobody is working and paying in. The debt crutch is cracking. That much is true. When are we going to pay the debt? We can't just keep raising. The ceiling was ridiculously high to begin with, and then we
It's
just
never going.
raised it.
That's
Like at
hey,
some point,
this, Dustin. You need to come over to my channel and seriously, you need to talk to me. She doesn't care about the What about man? What about man? What does that mean?
All right, Sean Tuber, thanks for joining me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wrap it up soon too, because I gotta head to work. All the huge corporations are going to split. Oh no. Uh-oh, Michelle froze. I guess that's my cue to end it, guys. All right, guys, thank you for joining us. I appreciate the thumbs up, guys. Thanks for joining us, guys. I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.